back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will match the video together. I've already made the video this morning on how to deposit on this platform, but I think I should just do everything to you from beginning. So right now we match the video together to you. So this platform is called RobotWallet, and they have been paying since. They have been paying. So if you, for me, I can say if you miss color at the early stage, okay. If you miss color at the early stage, don't miss RobotWallet. RobotWallet is still at its early stage. Color use spend about up to 9 months before it crash. Color spent about 9 months before it crash. So those people that join Color early at around um February this year, February of this year, until the color crash, those people enjoy color very well. Also me too, I also enjoy color very well. So right now in this video, this is a new platform. It's just like a color, also it's just like the color. So if you do color, by now this will not be so hard for you to get what I'm saying right here. So right now on this platform, before I show you how the investments, everything about this platform is, let me just show you how to deposit first. So if you want to register on this platform, just check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. So if you want to deposit, just follow this step by step that I want to show you right here. And one thing about this platform is that you can get back your capital back. You can get your capital back anytime you want it. If you like, you can just stop your trading on this platform. Just stop your trading and you can get back your capital, or you can continue getting profit daily but every time. As you can see here, I have already earned about you can see my income right here. So right now, let me show you how to deposit on this platform. Thank you. To deposit on the RobotWallet platform. So this is how to deposit on the platform. Click on your home page, then click on recharge. Click here. We click on recharge, this one here. Click on it. So right now I want to deposit. I have $14 here right now, and I want to deposit to it to make it $100. So how much should I deposit? Let me type the amount I want to deposit. So let me deposit $86. Yes, 86 plus 14, that is $100. So right now I want to deposit this, but if you want to deposit the main for your levels, for the robot you want to buy, let's say you want to buy the robot 2, you click 32 or 105 or 520, like that. So right now I want to deposit $86 to make it $100 on my wallet. So right now click on confirm recharge. I want to use USDT to deposit. Now copy this wallet address, click on it, copy it. So the deposit address change every 3 hours, so you have to do it fast before that 3 hours. So right now I want to go to my Trust wallet and transfer $86 from there to this place. $86 from here to this place. So right now I have 180 here. I want to transfer $86. I have pasted the wallet address there. Now type $86. So right now click on continue to confirm your payment. So confirm. So confirm it, and so right now I have transferred $86 to this platform, 86 USDT. So right now, let me wait for it to load. It has load. As you can see, I now have $94 left here right now. So right now, let me go back to the site. Go back to the site. So after you deposit, just leave it like this. In less than few minutes, you will see the money, and make sure it's the actual amount you input here that you are depositing. So right now, you can go back and check your wallet and refresh it. Just refresh your wallet. You can refresh it. As you can see, I now have $100 here right now. So this is how to deposit on this site on RobotWallet. This is how to deposit on RobotWallet. So guys, thank you for watching and see you soon. So guys, on my robot wallet here, I have $100, 100 USDT. So right now I want to invest on this platform. Note, if you want to invest on this platform, don't worry, they will return your investment capital back to you, which is my $100. So they will return it back to you as soon as you finish the 30 days investment. They will return it back to you. So let me show you something. Let me show you how their investment plans go. So right now you can look up here. They even have Christmas robot right now, which you can purchase at 0 naira. Put $10 and start using it. Also, their experience robot again. The experience robot price is 0.50 and it will be earning you is 0.50 daily, but the startup capital is $9. $9. They will return your startup capital back to you after 7 days. So that is how that one work. For their robot one price is $2. You can look at it up here. $2. This $2 will be giving you $0.45 every single day, and the startup capital is 30 days. That is, after you purchase the robot at $2 for $2, then you need extra $30 extra $30, making everything $32 to start working for you. They will return your $30 back to you after 30 days. After 30 days, don't worry, but this one will keep giving you money every single day. You'll be earning 0.45 daily. So right now I want to go for the robot 2. Here you can check all those robots I have purchased the robot 2, but I purchased the World Cup robot right now because there is a promo. So right now I purchased the World Cup robot $5. I purchased it at the rate of $5. They deduct it from my money. Now I add another $100 to this, to it, to as my startup capital. So that startup capital right now, I have purchased it. Now the next thing to do, if you want to purchase a robot, after you deposit, what you need to do is to pay the $25. Make sure you have up to $25 in your account, then click on pay. Just click on pay right here, or if it is the robot 1, robot 2, just click on pay. You don't need to click here, just leave it at 1, except you are buying more than 1 robot. So after that, you need to have 500 USDT on your wallet, which will be working for you and giving you $88 every day. After 30 days, they will return your $500 back to you. They will return it back to you. That means you have your profit and your capital back. And you can withdraw on this platform immediately. You have up to $10. So right now I have purchased my World Cup robot, which is robot 2. I have purchased it already. So right now I want to activate it. Let me click on my wallet here. Now click on view my robot warehouse. So right now click on it. As you can see, I have it here. You can give it away. You can give it to people. You can also sell it. You can give it away or sell it. to people. So if you want to sell it or give it away to people, you just enter their phone number here or you sell it to them. So right now I want to activate it. Just click on activate. After you buy your own, click on activate. So wait for it. Started successfully. So it has started successfully right now. So I have activated the robot right now, and the robot has started working for me. If I go back to my wallet, I will not see the 100 USDT there again. I will not see it. As you can see, it's no more there again, but I will still but I will, by this time tomorrow or today, this amount here will be changed. Will change. That is, I will earn my $1.75 every single day, for 30 days. Every single day, immediately I have up to $10 you can withdraw. Immediately you have up to $10 there you can withdraw. So after 30 days, that $100, they will return it back to you. They will return it back to you on this platform. So that is how it is. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon on my next video.